In this video, we are going to discuss about CS3271 Programming in C Laboratory, exercise number 3, Loops for while, do while. Now let's see the syllabus for Regulation 2021. This is the syllabus. So loops for while and do while is given in our third exercise. First, let's see what is a loop. A loop in C consists of two parts, a body of a loop and a control statement. The control statement is a combination of some conditions that direct the body of loop to execute until specified conditions become false. The purpose of C loop is to repeat the same code a number of times. It is a sequence of instructions that is continually repeated until certain condition is reached. Now let's see what is a for loop. A for loop is used to repeat a specific block of code a known number of times. It is used to iterate the statements or part of program several times. The initial value of for loop is performed only once. The condition is Boolean expression that tests and compares the counter to a fixed value after each iteration, stopping for loop when false is returned. The incrementation or decrementation increases or decreases the counter by a set of values. Next, we are going to see what is a while loop. It is also known as pre-tested loop. It allows a part of code to be executed multiple times depending upon a given Boolean condition. It can be viewed as repeating if statement. While loop has one control condition and executes as long as condition is true. The condition of loop is tested before body of loop is executed. Hence, it is called an entry control loop. We are going to see do while loop. It is similar to while loop except the condition is always executed after body of a loop. It is called an exit control loop. It is evaluated after body of loop is executed. Therefore, body of loop is executed at least once. It is also called as exit control loop. Now we are going to see the lab manual for exercise number 3. This is the lab manual. That is loop for while, do while. This is the aim, this is the algorithm, and we are using the program for Otis age validation. So here I have used for loop here, then do while I have used here, then while loop I have used here. Now let's see how we are getting this output. How to run this? I have installed dev C++. So I'm opening my program files and I'm opening dev CPP application. In that, click on file, new, and you can click the source file. Then you can type the coding. For compiling, you have to press execute and have to press compile here, or else you can press F9 in our keyboard. It's asking you to save the file. As I have not saved, you can save the program name with any name with the file extension .c. As this is the third exercise, I am saving this program as 3.c. So compile, I have compiled here. Here there are no errors and no warnings. So to execute, what I am doing is again clicking this button and you can click on run or you can press F10 in your keyboard. So it is asking me for how many candidates you are going to check the Otis age validation. For example, I am giving 2 candidates. Then it is asking me to enter a candidate name. You can enter whatever the name you like. So I am entering a name. Then it is asking me to enter an age. So I am entering the age as 23. Then it is telling me that you are eligible for voting because eligible for vote is 18 and above 18 only. If it is less than 18, we are not eligible for voting. Next, it is asking me another name. So I am entering another name. Then it is asking me to enter an age. For example, I am entering the age as 14. Then it is telling me that you are not eligible for voting and better luck next time. So that is I have given here. So if the age is 18 and above 18 only, you are eligible for voting. If your age is less than 18, you are not eligible for voting. That condition is present here by using for loop, while loop and do while loop. Similarly, if you want to test anyone for the age as correctly as 18, you can also check. For example, once again I am running. It is asking me to enter a candidate name. For example, I am entering a name. Then what it is asking is, before executing, it is asking me to enter the number of candidates. So I am entering the number of candidates as 1. Then it is asking me to enter a candidate name. So I am entering it as candidate name. Next it is asking me to enter the age. So correctly I am entering 18. Then also I am eligible for voting only. Okay. So if you have not installed C program, you can run this program in online compiler also. So the link is onlinegdp.com. You can type your codings here and you can select the language here as C and you can press this run button or you can click F9 in your keyboard. So it is asking me how many number of candidates. So I am giving here as 3. Then it is asking me to enter the candidate name. So I am entering any name. Then it is asking me the candidate age. So I am giving here as 23. So it is displaying me that you are eligible for voting. Next, another one name I am entering. Then it is asking me to enter the candidate age. So I am giving it as 14. So it is telling me that you are not eligible for voting because it is less than 18 condition here. So I am not eligible for voting. Suppose if currently I am giving the age as 18. For example, I am giving another one name. It is asking me to enter the age. So I am correctly entering the age as 18. So it is showing me that you are eligible for voting. Okay, so this is the output we have obtained. So same output we have obtained in our lab manual also. And while running in dev C++ also we have obtained the same output. So you can see here, if you are not eligible for voting, it will tell us better luck next time. Same output we have obtained here also while executing. Finally, we have executed CS3271 Programming in C Laboratory, third exercise, that is how a C program using loops for, while, do while is executed. I hope you have understood. Thank you.